Let us open the secret attic trapdoor and find some hidden treasure. Goo goo, up high. Toby wants to see the dusty ghost room. I am the captain of the secret roof expedition team today, Mom.
Wow, it is very dark up here and full of old boxes.
Look! A massive gold chest is sitting right under the roof window. What was that loud cracking noise behind your boots, Mom?
Oh no! The ladder broke! It crashed onto the hallway floor below.
The ladder is in pieces. The drop is way too high, Mom. The stairs went boom! We are staying in the fort box.
My mobile phone is downstairs in the kitchen. We are trapped up here.
Trapped in the dark. No phones. No escape route stairs left, Mom.
We must build a rescue tool using these antique boxes, Ben.
My muscles are working hard. Let us make a grand plan fast. Look, Mom! A giant rope. We can build a secret backyard zip line. This iron beam is very strong. It can safely hold these storage labels. The rope line goes directly down to the green backyard grass lawn.
Stop, Ben. Slide down a rope? That is way too dangerous. Vroom. Slide like a bird, Ben. Hook the hanger on rope. No zipline stunts today. We need a much softer landing pad plan.
My epic zipline dream is dead. We are still trapped up high. Look! Walkie-talkie box. Static noise is coming out, Lucas. The matchbox, wait, the radio works. Let us call for neighborhood help. SOS, emergency attic team calling. The ladder crashed. Over.
Hello? Is someone playing a secret space alien game? Over.
Leo, we are trapped inside our attic. The wooden stairs are broken.
Help is on the way, boys. Our radio transmission worked perfectly.
The radio has gold stars now. It is a champion machine. If we drop all these attic cushions down, we can jump.
1, 2, 3, push! Launch the giant cushion torpedo down, Ben.
Direct hit. The mattress covers the entire hard wooden floor carpet.
Look! A giant marshmallow bed. Toby wants to dive down now. I am dropping onto the marshmallow cushion stack first, boys. Watch.
Oh! She is flying through the air. Direct hit on the mattress.
is super soft. It feels like jumping on clouds.
You are going down inside this special safety basket spaceship, Toby.
Lowering the baby spaceship capsule slowly now. Catch him, Mom!
Haha! Toby is flying in a box. Best ride in the world. Hello, my adventurous little Toby. You did so well.
The baby spaceship has landed.
My turn! Geronimo! Out of the way for the captain dive! Oof. Safe landing complete. The attic team has escaped the trapdoor.
The attic fort was fun, but the mattress trampoline is better.
Ah! I brought a giant metal stepladder to save you! Wait. You escaped already? My rescue mission is totally ruined, Ben. No, it is not ruined. Let us start a giant ghost parade. Boo! I am the spooky old attic ghost monster of this house. Boo! Small yellow ghost is chasing your sneakers, Leo. Run fast! The ghosts are dancing in the hallway. This is the best party.
This ghost parade video is going on the living room wall frame.
The outside sun feels awesome after that dark, dusty attic adventure.
Time for a healthy hydration break for my brilliant ghost rescue team.
Look, Mom. The key from the golden pirate trunk fell down too. I am climbing up to retrieve the golden treasure box right now. Insert the silver key into the rusty iron lockbox, Leo.
The box is opening. Look at the bright golden lights inside.
Wow! Vintage superhero comic books. This is the ultimate childhood jackpot. Books! Funny picture books. Toby wants to see the drawing pages.
This pirate treasure is way better than gold coins or silver jewelry.
Our crazy attic emergency turned into a very beautiful family fun day.
Ah, the Rocket Man escaped a dark planet loop using his helper team. Ah. Good night, Rocket Man. Good night, giant marshmallow mattress. Choo-choo. Let us celebrate our big victory with a massive bubble soap volcano. Yes, let's! Turn the hot water faucet handle maximum fast. Make the foam rise. Whoa! The foam is exploding out of the steel sink counter tiles. Bubble cloud! Stomp the green bubbles with your bare toes, Ben?
Oh no! The kitchen is turning into another ghost parade snow zone.
Look at it fly! It is floating high toward the dining lamp. Sliding fast is the best kitchen game.
The soap fun is finished, kids.
Time to wipe the floor dry.
Cleaning up the bubble volcano is just as fun as the explosion. It really is fun. Our home exploration team knows how to clean up after a victory.
Let us build a delivery line to carry our new comic books.
Choo-choo! The blue engine is super fast. Move the books, Ben. The cargo is secure. Turn the battery power switch button on, Toby.
Watch the sharp curve turn. The heavy load might flip the wheels.
Yay! The train fell down. The comic books are sleeping on carpet. This bridge will balance the track layout so the wheels stay straight. Read the Rocket Man story for Toby and Mommy right now, Ben.
This is the coziest and happiest book club in the whole world.
The wind is perfect today. Let us fly our giant red kite. Ah! Look up, Toby! The red kite is flying high into the sky. Wow! Redbird is flying high. Do not hit the tree, Ben. The wind is pushing the red fabric like a real spaceship sail.
This sunny kite picture will hold a special place on our wall.
Perfect landing. The red diamond kite is safe inside my backpack pocket.
Time for a delicious cookie break for my energetic outdoor explorer team.
Cookie crumbs are falling on my blue socks. Best day ever.
The attic is locked tight, but the garden field is way more fun.
Thank you for jumping onto the mattress stack to save us, Mom.
The big sun is setting. Time to return to our indoor base.
Look at our picture. The ghost parade looks so epic on the wallpaper. The radio machine is sleeping next to my toy train engine, Lucas.
Sleep well, my brave little helper, Captain. Your home is perfectly safe.